As you can see from the investor presentation, PGM has several investments and several projects. This is great for investors as it means PGM doesn't have all its eggs in one basket and has some diversification. PGM also appears to be significantly undervalued. Penny news flow is always a great driver of share price movement. PGM is moving closer to drilling the Challa gold project. The Challa gold project is located between Sandstone and Mount Magnet, both of which are large gold producing regions, Mount Magnet having produced over 6 million ounces. Therefore, we could consider the Challa gold project highly prospective, and a significant find could result in a large upside to the share price. As you can see from the chart, it appears PGM is on its way up. PGM has a very low market capitalization of $21 million, which means there's a lot of upside potential. PGM has a large exposure to palladium. This chart shows the palladium price over the past 3 months. And as you can see, the price of palladium has shot up quite significantly. And over the past few years, palladium price has virtually skyrocketed to all-time highs. PGM's exposure to palladium is mainly via Major Precious Metals Corp. At the end of last year, PGM transferred its asset, the Skaergaard Palladium Gold Project, to Major Precious Metals Corporation in exchange for shares. PGM owns approximately 30% of Major Precious Metals Corporation shares. Major Precious Metals Corp is traded via CSE size or FRA 3EZ. As you can see from the chart, in the past week or two, Major Precious Metals Corp has shot up over 100%. This does not even appear to have been factored into PGM's valuation on the ASX. However, it is likely in future investor presentations, PGM will highlight the value of its investments. As per a recent announcement from Major Precious Metals Corp, we can see that a new resource estimate is due within approximately 1 or 2 weeks. At the current palladium price, it appears that the Skaergaard project has almost 20 million ounces of gold equivalent. This makes it one of the largest undeveloped projects globally and could be worth over $1 billion. Drilling is expected to commence this year during the summer season of the Northern Hemisphere. Drilling and resource definition for this project may lead to a large share price rise for Major Precious Metals Corporation, and this may be reflected in PGM's share price. Almost as exciting as the Skaergaard project, Platina has a scandium project. The project has a post-tax NPV of $234 million. This is approximately 10 times the market capitalization. Therefore, a 10-fold price rise could be expected upon completion of this project. Scandium is considered a metal of the future as it is used in scandium aluminium alloys. Demand for scandium alloys is already picking up, with Amero 3DA on the ASX planning to 3D print scandium alloys. The only thing that's uncertain is the timeline of this project, as it is still looking for offtake partners. It is still very unclear how fast the global demand for scandium will pick up, although it is expected to. The demand for scandium is expected to increase at a very high CAGR, cumulative annual growth rate. My price target for PGM is 10 to 50 times the current price.